Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest in AI technology and how it can make our lives easier. Today, I'm thrilled to share something truly groundbreaking. If you've been following the journey of ChatGPT, you know how it's evolved from a simple conversational assistant to a powerful tool that aids in everything from drafting emails to writing code. Well, it's about to get even better. Introducing the new feature, GPT-4o with Canvas. Imagine having an interactive workspace where you can collaborate with ChatGPT side by side. No more flipping between windows or struggling to keep track of your conversation history. Canvas brings everything into one place, allowing for more detailed and iterative projects. It's designed to enhance collaborative writing and coding experiences, moving beyond simple Q&A. So, what exactly is Canvas, and how does it differ from the usual chat-based interface? Traditional ChatGPT interactions happen in a linear thread, which can be limiting for complex tasks that require back-and-forth adjustments. Canvas creates a side-by-side workspace where you can see your content and ChatGPT's suggestions simultaneously. This setup is perfect for in-depth writing and coding collaboration, allowing you to focus on the creative process without distractions. Activating Canvas is simple. You can manually type "Use Canvas" in the chat, and it will open up immediately. Alternatively, ChatGPT is smart enough to recognize when a more complex workspace is needed and will open Canvas automatically. This seamless integration ensures that you have the right tools at your fingertips when you need them. Let's dive into the key writing features that make Canvas a game changer. First up, suggest edits. Have you ever wished for an editor who could provide instant feedback on your writing? With Canvas, ChatGPT can offer inline suggestions to improve grammar, style, and structure. As you write, you'll see real-time recommendations highlighted in your text. For example, if you use a passive voice, ChatGPT might suggest an active alternative. If your sentence is a bit clunky, it can offer a smoother phrasing. This feature not only helps polish your work but also helps you become a better writer by learning from the suggestions. Next, adjust length. Sometimes, you need to condense a paragraph to fit a word limit, or perhaps you want to expand on an idea. With a simple slider, you can adjust the length of your text. Slide it to the left to make your content more concise, or to the right to add more detail. For instance, if you've written a lengthy description but need a summary, you can shorten it without losing the main points. It's a quick and intuitive way to tailor your writing to your needs. Then there's change reading level. This feature allows you to adjust the complexity of your text from beginner to advanced. It's incredibly useful for educational content or when you want to make your writing accessible to a broader audience. For example, if you're writing about quantum physics, you can simplify the language for high school students or use more technical terms for a scholarly paper. This flexibility ensures your message is understood by your intended audience. Lastly, add final polish and emojis. Before finalizing your document, you can use the final polish option to ensure clarity, consistency, and correctness. ChatGPT will check for any lingering issues and make your text shine. Additionally, you can choose to add emojis to enhance emphasis and visual engagement. This is particularly handy for social media posts or informal communications where a touch of personality can make your message stand out. Now, let's switch gears and explore the key coding features that Canvas offers. Starting with review code. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, having an extra pair of eyes to review your code can be invaluable. ChatGPT can analyze your code, identify potential issues, and suggest improvements. For example, it can spot inefficient loops, recommend better data structures, or point out deprecated functions. This feature helps you write cleaner, more efficient code and can accelerate your learning process. Add logs and comments is another powerful tool. Debugging code can be time-consuming, but by inserting logs or print statements, you can track the flow of your program and identify where things might be going wrong. ChatGPT can help automate this process by adding these statements at critical points in your code. Moreover, it can insert inline comments to explain complex sections, which is essential for documentation and collaborating with others. Fix bugs is a lifesaver when you're stuck on an error you just can't figure out. ChatGPT can detect common bugs and provide solutions. For instance, if you're getting a null pointer exception or an off-by-one error in a loop, it can pinpoint the problem and suggest a fix. This feature not only saves time but also helps you understand why the bug occurred, enhancing your coding skills. Port code to other languages is incredibly useful when you need your code to be versatile. Suppose you've written a script in Python but need it in JavaScript for a web application. ChatGPT can translate your code into popular programming languages like JavaScript, Java, C++, and more. It ensures that the logic remains consistent across languages, saving you the hassle of rewriting code from scratch. But Canvas isn't just about features, it's also about giving you control over your workspace. You can adjust the window size to focus on what's important, whether it's your code, your writing, or ChatGPT's suggestions. If you need to revisit earlier versions of your work, you can easily restore previous versions, allowing you to experiment without the fear of losing progress. Shortcuts for quick modifications streamline your workflow, letting you apply changes with minimal effort. To illustrate how Canvas can transform your projects, let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine you're a content creator working on a comprehensive guide about healthy eating. You start by outlining your ideas in Canvas. As you write, ChatGPT suggests edits to improve the flow and clarity of your content. You use the Adjust Length feature to create both a detailed guide and a concise summary for different platforms. To make your guide accessible to everyone, you adjust the reading level to suit beginners who are new to the topic. Switching to the coding side, you decide to develop a simple app that helps users plan their meals. You write the initial code in Canvas, and ChatGPT reviews it, suggesting optimizations and best practices. You run into a bug that's causing incorrect calorie calculations. Using the Fix Bugs feature, ChatGPT identifies the issue, a misplaced parenthesis, and provides a corrected version. You then use port code to other languages to translate your Python code into JavaScript, enabling you to deploy it as a web app. Throughout this process, you adjust the window sizes to focus on writing or coding as needed, restore previous versions when experimenting with different approaches, and use shortcuts to speed up your workflow. The result is a polished guide and a functional app, all created efficiently within the Canvas workspace. Now, let's talk about availability and what's coming next. The Canvas feature is currently in beta for Plus, Team, Enterprise, and Edu users. If you're on one of these plans, you can start using it right away and experience all the benefits we've discussed. For free users, there's good news: plans are underway to roll out Canvas to everyone in the future. The development team is actively seeking feedback to improve the feature, so your input can make a real difference. Upcoming updates may include additional customization options, support for more programming languages, and enhanced collaboration tools. Before we wrap up, let's briefly compare GPT-4o with Canvas to another AI tool you might have heard of, Claude 3.5 Sonnet's Artifacts feature. Both GPT-4o with Canvas and Claude's Artifacts offer interactive workspaces designed to enhance collaboration. They provide a more engaging environment than traditional chat interfaces, especially for writing and coding tasks. However, there are some key differences. GPT-4o with Canvas provides more refined controls for targeted edits and contextual collaboration. Its specific coding tools, like debugging, adding logs, and translating code, make it particularly powerful for developers. Canvas is designed for hands-on, project-based collaboration, making it ideal for users who are deeply involved in the creation process. On the other hand, Claude 3.5 Sonnet's Artifacts focuses more on content summarization and simplifying complex tasks without the same level of coding support. It's great for users who need quick overviews or simplified explanations but may not require the in-depth collaboration tools that Canvas offers. In essence, if you're looking for a tool that offers comprehensive support for both writing and coding, with advanced features for detailed collaboration, GPT-4o with Canvas stands out as the superior choice. To sum up, GPT-4o with Canvas is a significant step forward in AI-assisted collaboration. It enhances productivity, fosters creativity, and streamlines complex tasks by bringing writing and coding together in an interactive workspace. Whether you're drafting a novel, writing a research paper, developing software, or just exploring new ideas, Canvas can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. If you have access to Canvas, I highly encourage you to give it a try. Experiment with the features, see how they fit into your workflow, and don't hesitate to provide feedback. Your insights can help shape the future of this tool. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this deep dive into GPT-4o with Canvas has been informative and exciting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest AI innovations. And if you have any thoughts or questions about the new Canvas feature, please drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you might have. Until next time, happy writing and coding. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.